XRP could hit the moon by 2029, the quick takeaway you need. Sick of crypto that drags while banks stay ahead? XRP ETF inflows and fresh regulations could turbocharge its price by 2029. Think it is just hype? It is actually a step toward real-world use. So if you're ready, hit follow and let's watch XRP soar. Subscribe for evidence-based XRP content at xrpyes. Disclaimer: all information in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.